Today I will be unboxing the Canaan Avalon Nano 3. So do stay tuned. You've already got a glimpse of it right now, and you'll see the close-ups and how beautiful of a product it is to make you hopefully decide if you want to purchase one or not. Hello everyone, my name is Jutan Al-Ahmed and today we're unboxing the Canaan Avalon Nano 3. This is a miner. It's meant to be a smart home heater type miner thing. It's a lottery miner is what they call it. I disregard any of that. Yeah, the hashing power is low. It's only 4 terahashes, but that's still good enough. You just need 1 hash to mine a block. But anyways, let's get on with it. There was a lot, as you can see here, there was a lot of stickers and stuff with my address, this and that. Just going to show you the package that it came in. This was delivered by FedEx. Look at this. It came damaged. And if I can put my finger in here and look at that. You can basically see that the box is damaged. I am not happy about that. However, it did come from a long way away. But anyways, I won't need the knife, I don't think. But for old time's sake, that little part there, yeah, lol. Let's cut that open. Let's open it up. Okay, nice. This is the first time I'm actually opening, as you obviously witnessed there. What's this part? It's empty. Throw it away. I purchased the Nano. Oh, okay, yeah, so this box is damaged. This box doesn't matter. I'm glad that this Avalon Nano box isn't damaged. I'll throw this box away. As we can see, it's empty. Right, so put that to a side because it's too much reflections, lol. This is the power supply that's I purchased with it. It didn't come with it. You have to actually pay additional for this. It's a 140 watt power supply. Nice, I can cut this. So this has 3 settings, 3 modes. Very nice cut there. The 3 modes, it'll be 65 watts, 100 watts and 140 watts. With each watt you can basically click the button that's on here, right, and it'll increase the hashing power. But let's open this up. I will be having a setup video as well, so make sure you do subscribe to my channel and watch my next video that I release and other videos like this. But anyways, yes, look at this. This is a Canaan branded power watt. I recommend getting the Canaan branded one because there's a lot on Amazon and stuff, and apparently they get too hot, whereas this one obviously is built for this. Let's take this off. Juicy ASMR. Lol. Okay, I'm gonna leave that Velcro there, but just for ASMR sake. Ooh, I love it. I love this ASMR noises, lol. I'm just gonna prepare this. I don't know why my beard hairs come off there. Too much stressing, you see. Lol. Anyways, UK plug. I am in the UK, so this is the UK plug. And some more Velcro. Oh, juicy, beautiful. Okay, so that's basically what you get for the power cable. I'm gonna plug this in here. Let's have a read of what the back says. So it says all the wattage and stuff there. Take a quick screenshot if you want of that. 140 watt max. Put that in there. Standard power lead. Nice little click there. And I don't know why my hand's swaying, but look at that. You can see marks. Hopefully you can there. But yeah, it does leave a bit of marks, and obviously this is so glossy. It's leaving marks everywhere. Hopefully I won't be touching this after I solve and basically set it all up. Don't know why I said solve. It's not like there's any math equations that I'm physically doing. Lol. Anyway, that nearly dropped. Let's put that to a side so that's not in the view itself. And let's get to the actual unboxing of the Nano. Wow. Okay, this is very, very shiny. It's like some cling film. Okay, I don't want to damage the box because this is just how I am. I don't like damaging stuff. I'm going to use a knife like it's a little pencil. Little nice cut there. That's enough of a cut. I will put the knife away now and peel it. Do you know what? Do you know what's funny? I actually try and make more noise so it just sounds nice and beautiful, lol. Anyways, this is the box. So Canaan, as you can see there, there's a little viewfinder there. Avalon Nano. It's called the Nano 3. So fun fact, right? Canaan is the first ever company to create the Asic Bitcoin miners. Just so you're aware of that. They do antiminers everything. Anyway, so that's the server model. Avalon Nano 3, input 28 VDC, 5 amp power consumption, 100 it's actually up to 140 watts. Hash rate is 4 plus minus 5% terahashes, and it lets out that much temperature. The color's black. I got the black one. You get other colors. Right now they've got like 100 pink ones left. I'll show you like where to purchase and stuff, purchase this and stuff on my video where I will be setting this up and showing you how to set it up to a solo mining pool. I won't be using this in a pool where it just gets sats every day. I want to be mining this where it's basically solo mining, where if I get a block, I get the full reward. Anyways, look at this. Wow. It is damaged. It came damaged. Okay. I'm not happy about that. But anyways. Whew. Okay, that's nice. I just want to show you that this is all glossy. It's very, very nice. I like, look at that. They made it look a bit Apple-ish because can you see that little reflection there? It's very, very nice. I like the box. It's like, I don't know if you've watched my iVanky, my docking station video. If you haven't, do watch that. It's for Macs and like Apple stuff. It's very high quality. This is only, I believe, around $100, which is around £80. Let's say £81. The delivery charge was pretty expensive, if I'll be honest. But yeah, it's very cheap in the sense of miners. Still, people will be like, oh, yeah, it's a lottery miner. There's no point. But at the end of the day, you're in it to win it. Lol. Let's take this out of the box. Okay, that's pretty heavy. It's not as big as I thought it would be. It's a little block. Okay. Interesting. So these are just some close-ups I'm showing you of the actual Canaan. These are the sides. These are the vents. I am going to try opening up a bit for you just so you can see that's some information there. The same information that was out on the outer box. It's saying brains. That's actually a pool, I believe, where you can connect it. I'm going to be probably connecting it to CK pool. It's very well known for solo mining. And this is a booklet that it comes with. It's a user manual. It's got a lot of stuff. I've already read about everything, so I'm not going to read this. As you know me, if you've already subscribed, you know me very well. I don't read any of this stuff. I may need to, but I don't think I will. Let's put that, let's not throw that away because just in case I do need it. Ooh, it's very foamy inside. That's pretty good. Padded very well. Okay, let's put the box away. Right. Rightio. So that's very nice. A little, yeah, you wouldn't have been able to hear that. I hardly heard that. Put that there. That's very neat. So there's two buttons. This is to rotate. If you can see there, it's like a rotating button. That's probably the power button. You can open this up to give a bit more air coming out, to let a bit more air come out. This is actually magnetized, as you can see there. Okay, nice. And this back, I'm sure you can take it off. Just pulling it. Okay, I don't want to damage my fingers there, lol. I don't have good enough nails. So basically, this is where you put the power in, the power cable. It's a USB-C, as you can see here. C, lol. A USB-C where you can see, C. That's how it would get powered. And there's some chips in here. That's what it is. So Canaan, nice little deboss there. Let's look here, debossed. Very, very neat. So one last thing I want to show you about this is look at this. There's like little stools or like it's a bit raised. Hold on, why is that so far away? If you look at that, that's so symmetrical, and then this one's so far away. I can't move it, but that's a bit odd. That is very odd. Yeah, okay, that's interesting. Very, very nice. It's come to that time of the day where we have our sponsor, myself, lol. Do check out my website. I've got all of my NFT collection there, my asset portfolio. What do I actually invest in? What is my percentages? Do I invest in stocks as well? Everything's on there. I've actually got my articles and like knowledge base there as well to answer any questions that you have. You can book 1-to-1 sessions with me, and you can also purchase my merch if you're interested in stuff like this. But yeah, do check out my website. You won't regret it. You'll enjoy what's on there. And yeah, if it's too difficult to navigate, do comment down below, lol, so I could improve it. Anyways, let's get back to the content. Here's just a quick lineup for you, just so you can see the actual product. So some technical information. This company, Canaan, is actually a company which is listed on the NASDAQ. It's listed as Canaan Incorporated, and this product, the Avalon Nano 3, belongs to the Avalon product line. As I've already said, they do a lot of other products. This comes in white, black, navy blue, and pink and yellow. So this can do up to 4 terahashes. This is actually meant to be like a heater for winter and stuff like this. When you watch my setting up video, you'll understand that you can actually put this into 3 modes. One mode which is 65 watts, one mode which is 100 watts, and one mode which is 140 watts, which is what this power supply is for, which I purchased. And this will be something which you can keep on all the time. It doesn't really take too much electricity. You can also use the Avalon app. This will be shown on my next video. So I hope you enjoyed this unboxing of the Canaan Avalon Nano 3. As I said, this is a 4 terahash miner. To me, that's sufficient. And yeah, if you did enjoy this video, please do subscribe to my channel. Please hit that thumbs up button. It's a like button, not thumbs up, lol. But yeah, do subscribe. Comment down below if you have any questions. I will answer. And yeah, do stay tuned for my next video. Just so you know, on that video where I set this up, I will be setting up on a CK mining pool, right? I've also created another video with a BitAxe where I have put it onto a public pool. There's also solo mining there, but yeah, that's just this. But anyways, yeah, lastly, let's not forget, together, let's break free from the shackles of modern slavery. I'll see you in my next video. Take care. Bye bye.